Hey there, it's David Cinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. We're continuing our 12 shops of Bloor West Village, and today our stop is with Ali. We're at Havana Casa Cigars. Hey, thanks Ali for having us.
No problem, man. Pleasure to meet you.
So, as you might know, I love cigars. So when we were doing the 12 shops, I had to have a cigar place on here. And this place is unbelievable. I love this place. So how long have you been in business?
So yeah, we've been around for around 7 years, but this is not the first shop we have. The very first shop we started like in 1998.
Awesome. So when we walked in, like obviously you get this beautiful smell of cigars. I love that. But is it just cigars that you sell in the shop, or do you sell other things?
No, of course we sell like everything related to cigars. So basically from humidors to lighters, cigar cutters, everything that's related to cigars.
Yeah, I actually love, my favorite cut is a wedge cut. So if you have an opportunity to come check out the wedge cuts, there's a little thing you put in for your cigars in it. That's different sizes. That's my favorite. Tell my wife that's what I want for Christmas, by the way. and
Sure.
Type of cigars, because again, you have these large humidor at the back. Is there a specific type of cigar? Or do you only go to one country, or do you go all different types of cigars?
All over the world. We have started from Cuba, of course. Then we have Nicaraguan cigars and some Dominicans, Honduras, almost everything.
And do you have a favorite cigar yourself?
Of course, the D4 itself, the Pertagas D4.
Oh, that's so good. It's one of my favorites too. Yeah, good choice, good choice. So if somebody wants to come in here, where are you located? What's your address?
So we're in 2177 Bloor West Street, right beside No Frills. Yep.
Yeah, it's easy to find, guys. So if you're shopping at No Frills, come take a look. Tell Ali I sent you, and maybe he'll give you a Christmas special as well.
I got you, man. No problem.
Great again, great meeting you, and come check out a cigar shop.
Whoever says your name.
Whoever says, you heard that, whoever says my name gets a special gift.
10% off. That's
Awesome.
it.
Let's come check it out. Bye for now.